Good day everyone. Today we'll be discussing a malware and computer security. In this presentation, we will learn what malware is, the different types of malware, how malware spreads, the possible consequences, and most importantly, how to protect ourselves. In today's digital world, almost everyone uses a computer and smartphones. So, understanding cybersecurity is very important. What is malware? Malware is the short malicious software is any software intentionally created to damage, steal data, or gain unauthorized access to a computer system or network. Example: if you download a free game from an unknown website and suddenly your phone becomes slow or show many ads, that software may contain malware. Type of malware: 1. Virus. A virus attaches itself files and spreads when the file is open. Opening an infected USB files that deletes or corrupt your documents. How to avoid it? Scan USB drives. Install an antivirus. Second, worm. Worms spread automatically through network without user action. Example: a worm spread through school or office Wi-Fi and slow down all computers. How to avoid? Keep your system update and use firewalls. 3. Trojan horses. Trojans pretend to be a legitimate software. Example: a fake crack app that steals your password once installed. How to avoid? Download the software only from trusted source. Avoid private apps. 4. Spyware. Spyware is a secretly monitors your activities. Example: tracking your key structure to steal usernames and passwords. 6. Ransomware. Ransomware is to lock your files and demands payment. Example: your files encrypted and you are asked to pay to recover them. How to avoid? Back up your files. Do not open suspicious email. 7. Rootkits. Rootkits hide malware and gives hacker control. Hackers remotely control your computer without knowing. The devastating consequences from data loss to financial ruin. Data loss and corruption. Irreversible loss of critical files, photos, or documents due to encryption or deletion. Second, financial losses. Direct theft of funds, unauthorized transaction, or costs associated with recovery to ransomware payment. 3. Identity theft. Compromise personal information leading to fraudulent activities in the victim name. Reputational damage. For a business, a malware attack can erode customers' trust and severely harm brand image. 5. System downtime. Disruption or operation leading to a productivity loss and severe unavailability. The CIA triad. Confidentiality. Only authorized user can use access data. Integrity. Data is not altered without permission. Availability. Data is accessible when needed. Example: online banking use encryption to protect your information. Proactive defense, essential to steps to protect yourself. Use antivirus software. Install reputable anti-malware software and keep for a real-time protection. Keep software updated. Regularly apply security patches to your operating system and all applications to close vulnerabilities. Strong password and MFA. Create complex unique password and enable to multi-factor authorization MFA where possible. Be wary of emails and links. Exercise caution with suspicious emails, attachment, and unknown links. Verify senders. Back up your data. Regularly back to an important file stone, external drive, or cloud storage to protect against data loss. And that's it po ma'am. And thank you po.